Hi, my name is Jim Burrow from gettingtraffic.org, and I'm one of Marcus Campbell's senior students. This video is going to be about the difference between a one-page, a two-page, and a three-page website using AutoSteer's templates. And then finally, how to work with your widgets with a three-column setup. First, let's look back at a one-column website. This is a one-column website, just threw some garbage on it, just so you can see what it looks like. Nothing on it. But I want to point out, notice it's only one column. There's nothing over here, and there's nothing over here. Just one big column. Now let's take a look at a two-column website. Now this is a two-column website. Again, these are just test websites. Notice I have one big column here on the left. Get the darn mouse to cooperate. It's just one big column, content on it. That's my primary content area. And then the second area is where my widget stuff goes. This is called the sidebar. So here's one column, two columns. Now let's take a look at a three-column. Now here's basically the same site as we saw as a two-column, but it's now a three-column site. I had to, in AutoSteer, you can create a two-column or three-column website. In WordPress itself, there's an option to make it a one-page website, but you can also make it a one-page website in AutoSteer. Now, before we go to the widgets, one of Marcus' students wanted some help on her website, and the problem she has is she's trying to have a list on a three-column site. To me, this looks like a two-column site. So what she's trying to do, she can't do because it's only two columns as I see it. So she has to change this to a three-column site, which means she has to go back into AutoSteer and get a template for a three-column site. Now let's go take a look at the widgets. Now when you add your site from a two theme, like you see here, to a three theme, you just need to bring your theme over. And here's my three theme I made up earlier. You just activate it, view it. Now that whole website now is a three-column. And when you're a brand new site with the widgets, you'll just see a bunch of stuff over here, and you need to get rid of it. So let's do that real quick. We go to widgets, and just get that out of there. This is your primary. Your primary is your first column over here. And the third column over here would be the second widget area for activate only for three columns. So now if we view the site, you still got to have some stuff here because AutoSteer wants to see something. So to get rid of this stuff, you just add your widgets to it. And let's say for this one over here, we'll just put a search box. And we'll just call it search box first column. I'm very creative, as you can see. Now if we view it, there it is, search box, first column. Let's do it over here. And in this case, we'll just use a go back into widgets. Instead of doing another search box, we'll just use a text box. And that goes in the second section over here. Get it to come down on me. I guess I have to let it go. Got to open it first. Close that out. Okay, now I can just take my text box, drag it down to the second area, and we'll open it up. And we'll just say this is a text box. Say anything like maybe your list. Save your changes and view your site. And here's your list. This is the second box. Say anything you want, your list. Okay. Now let's say we want to put under a list. You have your search box. Now say we want to put a list under here. Let's say you're selling some homes for sale. So let's do that real quick. And so we'll go back into our widgets. And let's get a text box. And we're dealing with the left-hand column, so it goes underneath the primary. And we want it underneath the search. We can put it above the search if we wanted. You just drag and drop, but we'll put it right there. Homes for sale. And we'll just put a little list there real quick. Save our changes. Oops. Now view our site. And now you have your list, home for sales. And if you want, you can make these things tags, whatever you want, however fancy you want to get. Okay, now we just used 3 of the standard widgets that come with WordPress. We used 2 search boxes, or 1 search box and 2 text boxes. Let's say we want to use one of Marcus Campbell's plugins. Let's say Widget Control. If you don't have it on your site, you got to upload it. I don't have it on this side, so let's go ahead and upload it real quick. We go to Plugins, Add New, Upload Plugin, and we want to browse for it because it's on my computer, it's on my desktop. Widget Control, open, there it is, Widget Control 5, install, activate. Now if I look at my plugins, which I'm already there it is, Widget Control 5. Now once you made your changes to it, see Widget Control, this is all your controls, a little introduction, and this is all your different things for Widget Control. You have 2 opt-in forms, affiliate stuff, a thank you page, a sale page, recent posts, and so forth. And so let's go ahead and drag it over into our widget area. Oops, went too far. Okay, I accidentally kicked myself out of my test website. Anyway, we're talking about widget control. Now we want to stick the widget for the plugin into our widget area. I don't see it over here, so we'll just go to Appearance, and here's Widgets. Okay, now we scroll down until we find Widget Control. And there it is, Widget Control. And we want to put it in our left-hand column, our first column, and not the right-hand column. So we go ahead and grab it. Hold your mouse down. We're going to drop in and paste. And we want it in the primary column. So we're going to put it right there. Now let's put it in the second one. Okay, close it. Okay, Widget Control, and we'll put it underneath our text box right there. No reason for doing it, just I can't even pronounce the word, so it looks pretty. Okay, now let's, since we have nothing in Widget Control, we may not see anything. But we'll take a look anyway. No, we don't have anything Widget Control, but it'll be right here anyhow. So we'll go ahead into Widget Control real quick. God darn mouse. And our widgets. And we have no post and nothing. Just do an affiliate thing. Title, Widget Control. You can give anything you want. Let's just say my widgets. We want on the home page. Show on pages, yes. Show in posts, no. And we add our medium. This is my widget control stuff. Update it. Now we should be able to go into our site and wish to see it. Yeah, there it is right there. The reason it's in two places, because I'm told to go to the home page, which this is, and also to any page. Anyway, that's how you play with Widget Control. I could just as well put it over here if I wanted. Widget Control deals with opt-in forms, AdSense, and all kinds of stuff. But anyway, that's the end of this video, and I hope it made sense to you and it is useful. Again, my name is Jim Burrow from gettingtraffic.org, a senior student at Marcus Campbell's.